Hi my respected friends, this video is for Mahzooz draw lovers. My powerful prediction for the upcoming draw, which is drawing on 8th October 2022. Friends, these are some past results. I will show some powerful numbers according to the past history. It is my clear objective, friends, for you. I don't want to give you any fake number for your selection. That's why I am showing the past history and the numbers. Any numbers I am giving you according to the past history. That is some attraction to upcoming draws. So please look at carefully. These are the two draws of August, first two draws, and these are the two first draws of September. And this is our previous first draw of October, and we are going to play the second draw of the month of October. Friends, you can see they are repeating two numbers from the first draw for the second draw. First time the 7 number and 21 number. They repeat in second draw. You can see here 7 and 21. Same in next month. You can see they picked 2 number and 14 number in second draw of the September. 2 and 14. If Mahzooz will continue this procedure, then these numbers, from these numbers, two numbers can come in our upcoming draw of Mahzooz. It is our previous result 5, 14, 18, 24 and 35. This is the first draw of October, and second draw we are going to play. You can select two numbers from previous result. If you don't like, you can leave it. According to this, I make some powerful numbers with the best combination. You should select 5, 14, 18, 24, 35. It is our previous result. You should select two numbers from here, and 4, 9, 21, 26, 33, 36 and 38. Two numbers from here and 43, 48, 47 and 46. One number from here. You can also change the pattern. If you want to select two numbers from here, then you will select one number from here and two numbers from here. If you want to select one number from here, then you select two numbers from here and two numbers from here. My best pattern: 2, 2 and 1. Two numbers from here, two numbers from here and one number from here. This is best combination from my side. If you want to change, it's up to you. Final decision is yours. But according to my research, these are the most powerful numbers from 4 series. These are 4 important numbers. These are my 16 powerful numbers with the best combination for this time.